Alright guys, got a call. Truck's Kubota Tractor. They bought it yesterday. Guess I went to do some work with it today and got it stuck in the mud behind their yard. And they also got a truck stuck trying to get to it, but I think they might have it out time we get there. We'll see. If not, we'll get it out too. We're in the sink on this thing. Alright guys, get this 2-to-1 going. See if we can pop them out of the creek. Guys, truck is out. We'll get back here to the tractor now. Well, yeah, creek flowing through right here, some more soft spots. So I really don't want to pull it forward because this front end is just buried, where we're just gonna be dragging under the ground. So I'm gonna try and pull it backwards this way, pop it up here, and then the only thing we'll have to get through is where he took the truck through right here. So we'll see. Alright, so instead of going to that muddy mess the truck made trying to save their yard, I'm gonna try and squeeze through this area right here. That way we can get it behind the tractor a little better too. Set up 2-to-1, get a little redirect also, trying to slide this back in and away from the lake, back to the tree. slowly coming out. Still trying to sing. There we go. Up. We might be hooking to it again. There she comes. Tractor out. Only thing left to do is get across the little creek here. Throw a lot of brick tile stuff in. Make a little bridge. See if she comes out. There we go. Alright. Drive the Jeep through that and we're done. Alright guys, so story was they called, well, there was some yard work or something, got the tractor stuck sometime the day before near that pond. Then went to pull the truck back there, see if they could get it out with the truck. The truck didn't even make it halfway to it. As soon as the front tires went down that little creek, it was over. So then they called around some tow company. They wouldn't come out there. They didn't want to get their stuff stuck. They called a guy, and he told him to call me. So the next morning, I got the call, and I got him out.